In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto parts on Dhgate. We'll start right from the homepage and work our way to the exact part you need, using car lights as a clear example so you know what to look for and how to confirm it fits your vehicle. First, open the Dhgate website, give the page a moment to load, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you'll see a familiar layout, a large search bar at the top, promotional banners in the center, and navigation options along the sides. For this walkthrough, we're not typing into the search bar. Instead, we'll browse by category so we can see the full structure of the auto parts section. Look to the left-hand side of the page. This is where the site groups its shopping categories. Find the option labeled All Categories and click it. This expands the entire catalog in a clean, organized list, which makes it easier to drill down without missing relevant subcategories. From the expanded list, choose automobiles and motorcycles. This section pulls together everything related to vehicles, from tools and accessories to specialized components. Once you're inside, select Auto Parts. That narrows the focus to parts specifically designed for repair, replacement, and maintenance, helping you avoid general accessories that won't solve a part's need. Now that you're in Auto Parts, browse the options that appear. You'll notice a wide range of product tiles with images, brief titles, and key specs. As you scan, keep an eye on product names, compatible models mentioned in titles or thumbnails, and any indicators of the part's position on the vehicle. For our example, let's look at car lights. Within the auto parts area, find the lighting section or use the page's internal filters or categories to surface car light listings. You'll see items grouped by function and position on the vehicle. Be sure you're selecting the correct type of light: headlight, tail light, or signal light. The photos, titles, and specifications typically state this clearly. If a listing shows different styles, check the variation selector to confirm you're picking the exact light you need for the correct side and function. Finally, make sure the light is compatible with your vehicle. Match the year, make, and model details in the description to your car, and look for mentions of trim level, body style, or OEM part numbers. Compare the connector type and shape shown in the photos, and review size or bulb type if listed. If anything is unclear, read the full description and product details for confirmation. That's it. By following these steps, homepage to all categories into automobiles and motorcycles, then auto parts, choosing car lights, verifying the light type, and confirming compatibility, you'll be set to find the right auto part on Dhgate with confidence.